this video, I am going to show you when you need to disclose your content as AI generated content, previously known as altered content. I have a video where I explained what altered content is all about. Based on the comments and questions I got from that video, I decided to do this updated video where I will be showing you directly from the source what YouTube means with AI generated content, also known as altered content, when you have to say yes or no. So for those of us who don't really understand what I'm talking about, I will just take you quickly to my dashboard, show you exactly what I mean, and then we will head straight directly to the source where we will look at it together so that we will not get confused. So over here, you see this part here where it says AI use. Now, this is very important for you, especially if you are running a faceless channel and you use a lot of AI tools to generate your content or produce your content. Previously, this spot here was known as altered content. YouTube has now upgraded it and they have changed some things about it, and now it's called AI use. And here it is important for you to disclose it. You can even read it here. They said, to follow YouTube's policy, you are required to tell us about your use of AI. This includes realistic sounds or visuals made or edited with AI. So over here, when you click on this view examples here, you will see exactly what needs to be disclosed and what does not require disclosure. So without wasting your time, we are going to head straight now to this link and see for ourselves when we need to disclose it as yes or no, because a lot of people are still confused from the previous video I made, from the DMs I got, from the questions I got. So we're going to look at it together so that directly from YouTube now, so you do not get confused, so that you can disclose your content accordingly and avoid monetization issues. Now over here, you will see that we are now inside YouTube Help Center. All right. So basically, you can get all the informations and questions answered via Help Center from YouTube. And here you see that we have disclosing use of generated AI content. So we are not going to be reading through all this. What I just want to highlight is to show you examples of what YouTube needs us to disclose as AI use or not AI use. And of course, we also have examples of content creators don't have to disclose. But this video, we want to focus on examples of content creators need to disclose, which is right over here. So I believe with these examples here, you should be able to figure out if your content should be disclosed as yes, it is AI use, or no, it is not. So now let's read. To help keep viewers informed about the content they are viewing, we require creators to disclose content that is generated or meaningfully altered with AI when it appears realistic. Examples of content edits or video assistance that creators need to disclose. Now, these are the examples. Now, AI generated music. I think for some people, this might be new because you wouldn't even go that far, right? But now, if you are using background sounds, background music that is completely AI generated, you have to disclose your content as AI use. Okay, so now for AI generated music, for example, if you go to Pixabay to download music, there are some music that has the label of AI generated music. So you have to be paying attention as well. If you are downloading music from Pixabay and there is a label on it that this music is AI generated, if you are going to use that sound or that music for your video, don't forget to disclose your video as AI use, okay? Because when you are disclosing your content as yes, it is AI use or AI generated, it doesn't mean that everything viewers are seeing in that video is 100% AI generated. No, sometimes it's also going into if your video has some AI generated music in it, or maybe there is a scene that is completely AI generated. So all these things are going into transparency with your audience and with YouTube as a whole. All right. So examples, number one is AI generated music. Then the other one, AI generated extra footage of a real place, like a video of a server in Maui for a promotional travel video. Okay, if you are generated realistic football footage of real people, of a real surfer, making it seem real, you have to disclose it. And then we have AI generated realistic. You see, one word that keeps coming up is this realistic. Anything that is artificially or synthetically generated but looks real and can easily mislead someone, you have to disclose it. Okay, so AI generated realistic videos of a match between two real professional tennis players, for example, have to be disclosed. Then making it appear as if someone gave advice that they did not actually give. For example, if you are into motivational channels and you are using Oprah Winfrey's voice, you are using her image to make her seem to be delivering or giving a motivational speech that she never gave, you have to disclose that as AI generated. This is important. Otherwise, your content could be considered as misleading because you are misleading people into believing that Oprah Winfrey actually sat down to give that speech, which she never did. And then, of course, we have showing a realistic depiction of a tornado or other weather events moving towards a real city that didn't actually happen. So these are important things that you need to bear in mind. If you are into Faceless channel and you use AI to generate your content a lot, you have to examine your content if they fall under these categories. Or this one, making it appear as if hospital workers turned away sick or wounded patients. You know, real event scenario, realistic looking event scenario that could easily mislead people needs to be disclosed, especially when the characters in that scene or in that video are AI generated. And then this other one, a public figure stealing something they did not steal or admitting to steal something when they did not make that admission. You know, these things you have to consider, okay? Making it look like a real person has been arrested or in prison. But then they went ahead to say, keep in mind, the above list is not exhaustive. So that means there are other things that you need to consider disclosing as AI use that they did not list here right now. But this is just to give you a concrete example of what you need to disclose. Because failure to disclose what you are supposed to disclose over time is going to cause you issues on your channel, especially if your aim is to get monetized or stay monetized. These policies is here for us to make sure we don't break them. And of course, how do you disclose your content as AI use or not AI use? Simply by clicking yes, this is AI generated, or there is some synthetically modified scene in my video. Just keep saying yes or no. That's all you have to do. Don't ignore it. And then, of course, over here, we have examples of content creators don't have to disclose. So let's just quickly browse through it. So, for example, scenes that are not even realistic, like someone riding a unicorn through a fantastical world. I think every human being knows that this is not realistic. So it is a fantasy scene or a fantasy video. So you don't really need to go and be disclosing that as AI generated or as altered content, all right? Then applying beauty filters on your video, you don't have to disclose such. Color adjustments or lightning filters, special effect filters like adding background blur or vintage effects. These things you don't need to disclose as altered content or as AI use, okay? Because this is not really changing or making anybody believe what is not there. It's just part of your editing or caption creation or AI generating or extending a backdrop to simulate a movie car. All these ones you don't need to disclose as AI use or AI content. Rather, this is what you have to bear in mind. Now, if you want me to share the link with you via the comment section, let me know. Otherwise, you can just get the information here on the YouTube Help Center. So educate yourself. If you are into a Faceless channel and you use AI tools a lot. Educate yourself so that you know when to disclose your content as yes or no. It is very, very important to avoid anything monetization issues. So make sure that your channel is, adhering to the YouTube's rules and regulations. So if you are new here, welcome. My name is Angela, the face behind this channel. And on here, I share practical tips, strategies, and, help you avoid mistakes that I made on this particular channel so that you don't have to make them. And in so doing, you get to monetize and grow your channel faster. And if that sounds interesting to you, and if you gain anything from this video, do well to give me a like, add a comment, let me know where you are watching from, and let me know if you have any questions regarding this topic. And until next time, thank you for watching. Bye bye for now.